Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to My Time Films and Project Integra Type R. In today's video, we're going to clean the undercarriage of this car. I believe it's been done recently because it does look pretty clean as you see from these clips that I'm showing you right now. I think it could use just a little bit more work. And this is also probably because I drove this car once or twice in the rain, which I don't really think was a great idea, but I kind of had to because my brother, his car broke down, so I had to go help him out. And this is the only other car we have for the household because the Jeep over here, I'm sure you guys have seen this car in the past, actually is on flats right now because my mom doesn't drive it. And one of the lug nuts in the back is stuck, so I have to get a torch and try to get that off somehow because she hit a curb and, she had some problems with that. So that's not important though, because what's important is this car right here. So let's jack the car up and see what it looks like. All right, so I have the car jacked up and the lug nuts are already off. I actually had to jack up the car again because I forgot to take off the lugs and I don't have an impact wrench. So here we go, taking it off. Here it is. Here is 25 years of just gunk and grime that we're about to clean out in each entire wheel well. So I'm gonna give you guys a look of what it looks like up close, and then we're gonna do a before and after comparison and see if I did a good enough job. I'm probably gonna have to do this again, multiple times actually. But hey, I don't plan on, adding any crazy modifications to this car, so why not, All right, and that's what we're looking at. Kind of looks bad, doesn't it? We're definitely gonna have to replace these rotors because it looks like they're pitted right here and I can feel like a lip. So these have to get replaced, no problem. I plan on respraying these like light silver. Oh yeah, it's dirty, look at that. And then we're just gonna wash all of this right here. So let's see how nice I can actually get this. So I'm not too happy with this result. So what I did was I got some purple power here and we're gonna spray all inside of here and then we're gonna scrub it down with a brush and see if that makes a difference. All right, and that's what it looks like when you hit the wheel well with purple power and some soap. So a lot of this stuff, I just don't think I'm gonna be able to get out. Number one, because I don't have a power washer. And number two, I don't have like a wire brush or something that's really aggressive to really get all of these, black spots out. I would love to have it just completely clean, but obviously I can't get behind the coilover too well because I don't have a small wire brush, but let me know what you guys think. I can always come back and do more, but do you think I should just tackle it and just make it look proper and just clean it all the way up, or should I just leave it like this? Let me know. Alright, so since the wheel was off, I sat here and hit it with some purple power and scrubbed the inside with this dish brush thing, so it's not as abrasive as like a wire brush. That's why I'm not able to clean that out so well, but hey, it looked a little better, right? So now that I did the inside, now I'm going to do the outside, and we're going to see just how well I can clean it up, because I know eventually I'm going to have to spray this, because I do want to get new caps. So I just want the wheels to be restored. So the only way to do that first is to, well, clean it. Well, that's the best I could do with the purple power. Still looks like crap, obviously, but you know, it looks better than when I first took it off, so hey, I'll take it. And then the other side still looks horrible, but we can work with this. We're gonna sand it down. I might prime it. I don't even know if I really need to prime it, but I might just sand it all down and then just spray it, respray it championship white, get some new center caps, and this will be looking really good. So let's put it back on the car, and I'd say this wheel well is done. All right, with the front end done, now we can move on to the rear. And looking at it, honestly, it doesn't look too bad. So this shouldn't be too hard. This shouldn't take too much elbow grease. So let's take off this wheel and see how it looks. Remember how I said it didn't look so bad? I lied. Let me show you guys what it looks like back here. Okay, so right here, it looks like it's gonna clear up fairly easily because I don't really see any black. I don't really see any black anywhere in here aside from maybe right here. But all of this dirt has accumulated. Let me check the trailing arms. Yep, they are torn. That's just wonderful. All of this needs to be cleaned up. Luckily, it's an easy place to clean. This is all just disgusting and dirty. So we're gonna get the brush again, get the purple power, and clean all this up one time and see what happens. If it still doesn't look great, then I'll just do it again. Oh yeah, and these rotors are done too. Alright, and here's what I was able to do. Not sure if it looks any better, but this is what I was able to accomplish in about maybe about 30 minutes or so. So, you know, I definitely could have gotten it a lot better. But honestly, like all of this it needs to be taken out in order to clean it properly. Like you gotta take it out. Unless I get like a small toothbrush and just but I don't have time for that. I just wanted to get a majority of the dirt off. That way, when I come back to do it again, or if somebody else does it for me, it'll be a lot easier for them to do it. Or if I do it, it's a lot easier for me to do it. But I just wanted to get a majority of it off in every single wheel well. That way, in the future, it'll make my life easier. So this is what this side looks like. Get a far away shot so you guys can see what it was before and after. And we're going to move on to the next one. Okay, so I did the left side now. I actually already put the tire on. That was my mistake. I was getting a little ahead of myself. And I sat here and did it all. So now I'm going to go to the car wash, take this car to the car wash right now, and just spray it all down, spray all in the wheel wells. And then I'd say this is a job well done. All right, And we are back from the car wash. I'm not sure if it really did anything, honestly. Like, it still looks the same to me. The wheel wells also still look the same. So that's where I'm going to cut it for today. If you guys want to see something special about this car, comment it down in the comment section what exactly you want to see, and I'll show you. So I'll catch you in the next one.